You'll be going around and through obstacles, using ladders, putting out fires, and most importantly, fighting fire.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Hey!
Somebody once told me.
Look, Captain!
It's you later. Guys, meet your new friend. Her name is Iris.
Hi guys, I'm
The new rescue helicopter.
Thank you, Will. Thank you, Will. Thank you, Will.
no problem.
Will, the captain needs you at
Lego City. A man has fallen into the river. Hey!
Look out!
What follows is a brief
Rescuing.
montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief
Rescuing.
montage.
Great job, guys. You're the best.
Thank you, Captain!